kena ulang. Okay, Zahra tekan OK. Dah?
Dah.
Dah, okey. Zahra nak kita warna apa?
Warna hijau.
Warna hijau. Okey Zahra. Kalau Zahra boleh baca sendiri, Zahra dapat 2 petak. Kalau ada orang bantu dapat 1 petak. Okey Zahra? Boleh kita mulakan?
Boleh.
Boleh. Okey. Can you read this?
It is a hot day.
Good. It is a hot day. Good, Zahra. 2 boxes for you. 1, 2. Okay, now can you read this?
Fred and this is then camping.
Again, can you read this?
Camping.
Good. Fred and his gang are camping. Good. Okay, 2 boxes for you. 1, 2. Okay. Now, can you read this?
Fred
Again.
is grilling some fish and Fred is helping him.
Okay, good. Okay, can you read this word again?
Friend.
Again?
Friend.
Okay, good. 2 more boxes for you. 1, 2. Okay. Now, can you read this?
Farm. Home.
Again? Pam.
Pam is mixing some green greens and Frank is chopping some nuts.
Good. Okay. Pam is mixing some drinks and Frank is chopping some nuts. Good, Zahra. Dapat 1 boxes. Cuba cikgu bantu tak apa. Nanti kita buat lagi. Okay. Baca. Zahra boleh baca lagi kan? Banyak lagi nak baca ni, Zahra. Okay. Now can you read this?
But they is just sitting on the set thinking of something.
Again, can you read this word?
Thinking.
Good. Okay, but Dick is just sitting on the sand thinking of something. Good, Zahra. 2 more boxes for you. 1, 2. Okay, lagi 1 je, Zahra. Good. Okay, now. Mana ya? Okay. Can you read this?
As
Yes, good. As
for that and then they are putting up the tent.
good. Okay. As for Chad and Stan, they are putting up the tent. Okay, good, Zahra. Good. Dah tamat. Good job, Zahra.